In this video, I'll show you how to record and add audio to your Canva project. Let's get started. Once your video is edited in Canva, click the Share button at the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select See All, then choose Present and Record. Click Go to Recording Studio. Canva will prompt you to enable your camera and microphone. If you only want to record audio, disable the camera and select your preferred microphone for the best sound quality. Click Start Recording. A countdown will begin, and you'll see a red recording indicator. Speak your script or narration while the video plays. When finished, click in Recording. Wait for the audio to upload. Then click Save and Exit to return to your project. Go to the Uploads tab. Your recorded audio will appear here. Drag the audio file to your timeline. Align it with your video's starting point. Double-click the audio clip to adjust waveform placement. Press the spacebar to preview your video with the added audio. And that's it! Your voiceover is now part of your Canva video. Thanks for watching.